This video lecture will walk you through checking what's stored in the program and application menu of your calculator. First, I'd like to begin here in the lecture notes. You'll notice that on the left you see the key press that I'm going to do, and on the right you see a representative calculator screen. If after pressing the program key your calculator screen looks exactly like what you see on the right, you're all set up for your programs and no further action is necessary. If there's any discrepancies at all, you may need to delete the extraneous programs or come by my office to have the programs you need, these 5, downloaded to your calculator. Other than this, apps here, if you press that and you see this representative calculator screen with the Triola 12C app, you're all set, ready to go. Prob Sim you're allowed to have, and Finance is undeletable. If you see any extra applications, they'll need to be deleted prior to coming by for me to download the Triola 12C app. The Prob Sim app may be deleted, or you may keep it. It's one of those that's in the gray area that you're welcome to keep if you'd like. On the left-hand side here, you'll notice I have a TI-84 Plus C Silver Edition. You are no requirement to get such a fancy calculator. You must only have a TI-83 Plus or a TI-84 Plus. Any of the upper models are also welcome as well, as long as they're an 83 Plus, or an 84 Plus. Let's first check the calculator that I'm using here on the left by pressing the program key. As you see, after I press the program key, I do not see any of the 5 programs here. But also I'm kind of lucky. I don't see any extra programs as well that I'll need to delete. But in a separate lecture, if you have any extra programs that need to be deleted, we'll delete those in a moment. And if you have the 5 programs here on the right-hand side in the lecture note, you're all set, ready to go. But if you're blank like me, and once you get the other ones deleted and you're blank, you'll need to come by to get the others deleted. Let's go ahead and press the apps key. Holy moly. You'll see that I have a lot of extra apps that need to be gone through and deleted. You do right away see Finance, that's undeletable, and this goes on for a while. You see this arrow here by the 9 on the calculator screen. That means there's a lot of extra apps that have to be deleted out, and this must be done prior to downloading the actual application you'll need for the semester. Please move forward to deleting out programs and applications next. That's the next part of the lecture. Thank you.